Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Cherokee tail light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. Then, open the tailgate to gain clear access to the tail light assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's remove the old tail light. You'll see two screws on the inside edge of the tail light assembly. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it. Finally, press the release tab on the electrical connector and pull it apart to fully detach the old unit. With the old assembly removed, it's time to install the new bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release the old bulb, then carefully pull it out. Insert your new bulb, ensuring it's the correct type, and twist the socket clockwise to secure it. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to your new tail light assembly, making sure it clicks firmly into place. For the final steps, carefully align the new tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly into place until it sits flush. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Before you finish, check the description for a link to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, plus other great deals. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all tail light functions, including brake lights and turn signals, to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.